Channels. So it's crazy to see just how many people still believe in the Amiga and still have a passion for it 21 years after it went off sale. Now, my background, I've kind of got computers in my DNA, you could say. On the screen there at the bottom is my mother working on a mainframe computer back in 1974, which I think had about the computational power of a wristwatch today, and it filled up probably half of this room. And my dad was an electronic engineer. My mum worked on the mainframe, so my dad built them and my mum programmed them. So that kind of got me into computers, and then I got my first machine in Christmas '87, and it was this here. Anybody know this machine? The Commodore +4. Now, it was kind of the, I wanted the Commodore 64, but this is what I got for Christmas because my parents would get it quite cheap. And being a +4 user, I go into a computer shop to try and get software. And it was kind of like doing an illegal deal. They'd have to open up a compartment under the couch and be like, pull the cassettes out and have a quick look and then put them back.
This is the Commodore Amiga personal computer speaking. It's so nice to see so many of you here to celebrate my 30th birthday. Sorry if I skipped a little monotone. I was out pretty late in one of Amsterdam's famous cafes, and I did not even recognize the Amiga I woke up with this morning. Well, it is my birthday party after all, so let's take a moment to remember why we are all here.
I didn't know it's such an open place.
things, which is kind of weird having worked for Scala. But this is a really good thing, and when you're my age and you've done things throughout your career, you look back a little bit, and I was talking to RJ about this a little bit the other day, and this was something that was just, we look back and like, how the hell did we do that? But I come here and it's like, wow, people still remember this. My kids don't know about this in the same way that you guys do, and it's nice because of all the turmoils that came along with Amigas and everything like that, and who owns this and who owns that, you guys are the people who really own the Amiga because you're keeping it alive. So I thank you for that. Getting a little choked up. This really has. I haven't done this in a while. I haven't done this in a while, so it's I'm a little rusty at speaking in public. Pretty comfortable, and somebody was nice enough to hand me a beer this morning. So, I'm looking at I was thinking about like all the stuff we did back then, and it's actually kind of hard to find a piece of hardware that has something that we didn't really do, or at least try to do back then. A lot of people don't know about some of the stuff we did, but we'll talk about we had of course multitasking. We had the blitter. So after Commodore put a blitter in, people really stopped making graphics chips that didn't do hardware acceleration. We had autoconfig. There wasn't a single expansion bus released after Zorro that didn't also do autoconfig. You look at PCI, you look at even eISA, which was this crazy kludge that they came up with. It wasn't elegant like Zorro 3.